I'm back, and what a way to return. Today, Sam Altman made global headlines with the release of GPT-5, billed as a AI game changer. In recent times, the large language model industry has been bustling with powerful new releases. Every model has been releasing, upgrading its features. Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, you name it, each model pushes the boundaries, accelerating AI adoption at a pace we never seen. But today, the question on everyone's mind is GPT-5 truly the next big leap? What makes it so special? Stay tuned because on this episode of Data AI Express, I will break down all the need to know details on GPT-5. Let's dive in. On August 7, Sam Altman stood before the world, unrevealed GPT-5, calling it as a unified model, and it is a model which make a major step towards AGI, which is artificial general intelligence, a turning point in AI history. What does that mean? For the first time, the features that were once scattered across the separate models like 4.0 mini, 4.0, 3.0, everything combined together with agentic AI, multi-model processing and advanced reasonings are now seamlessly integrated into only one single package. It's all here under GPT-5 brand. Let's see what that truly means to you. Let's rewind a bit. In 2017 research paper, attention is all you need to know. That started it all. It's kind of a electric bulb invention from Thomas Alva Edison. Each year, OpenAI training these models with millions, billions of parameters in the pre-training phase with unsupervised learning or training with large data sets and so on. So every model has surpassed its previous version by its features or by its behaviors of outputs. Every model improved the previous model by its accuracy, by its speed, by its hallucination reduction. So every model has brought a unique capability of doing a multimodality, text generation, and so on. Then came the GPT-4, a model so capable that even a year later it remained the industry gold standard. Till date, it has been the best model out there which can able to process with multi-model capabilities. In August 2025, Sam Altman said the time for the next leap has come. That GPT-5, a key milestone as we edge closer to AGI. So what's new? Advanced reasoning. GPT-5 cracks the puzzle and solves complex problems beyond its predecessors. Next level memory. It now retain your conversation context for better, making interviews and support sessions smarter and less repetitive. Context engineering. No matter what's your domain, legal, medical, it's so much creative. You get targeted context-aware responses. It brings a true multimodality. It analyzes text, images, and code within a single integration. Imagine uploading both a spreadsheet and a diagram and getting a summary or an explanation instantly in a single model. It can apply for many real-world use cases. Picture a massive event. Suddenly, security footage spots someone carrying a suspicious object. GPT-5 can able to analyze a live video in real time, raise an alert, and even checks eyewitness reports. The possibility of public safety, logistics, and event management are incredible. The more you use GPT-5, the better it adapts to your style. So you no need to tell everything in your context. So you can reduce your input length because it can understand what type of person you are and what type of questions are that you use, what is your sense of humor, and all the things that you don't need to put it in the every query. It can easily understand you. The speed of the GPT-5 is much more improved. That has been tested by various people right now. The speed of GPT-5 is being very good. so that you can now get a quicker responses from the GPT-5 and move on with other productive actions. For students and faculty and lifelong learners, GPT-5 has created a student mode in the ChatGPT. GPT-5 delivers information at a PhD professor level responses for all your questions and the information that you seek for. GPT-5 does not just automate outflow, it completely redesigns them for efficiency and creativity. For the creativity areas, it can seamlessly connect with Sora and various other models and can generate music, art, code at the levels that rival the professional creativities. Breaking all the AI limits out there, GPT-5 brings us closer to human level reasoning and nuances moral judgment, delivering tailored advice that just feel right. GPT-5 now integrates directly with tools like Gmail, Calendar, and various other enterprise APIs available. This brings a unique capability of complete agentic AI MCP architecture into the play. It doesn't just read text, it gets images, charts, and video snippets and can explain them all in one conversation. It is the true cross-model intelligence capability. LM Arena sites always list various model out there and with their ranking, we can easily able to identify what ranking GPT-5 has. So GPT-5 is already top in the list with 1481 ranking. It already beaten up GPT-4o, O3, Gemini 2.5, and various other models out there. It's already the number one. Within few days of its release, it's already leading the leaderboard. GPT-5 has different versions. The base model has 400K context length, 128K max output tokens. Input token cost approximately $1.25 per million tokens. Output also for million tokens, it's $10. It has GPT-5 Mini for smaller, faster version of simple task. Nano, even smaller and cheaper for lightweight request. We do have a Pro for complex queries needing the highest quality and highest speed. One thing to note down is we no longer need to manually pick a models from a drop down. GPT-5 chooses the best model dynamically based on your question. For example, if you asked think harder, it triggers deep search mode, eventually uses the Pro model. If you ask answer quickly, might trigger Nano or Mini model. One thing to note, hallucination are reduced by 45%, making it far less likely to confidently give wrong answer. Errors are 6 times lower than the previous model. Let's look at the pricing of various models exist today and then see where the GPT-5 resides. The top leaderboard is the Claude Optus 4.1, which charges $15 per million million token input. Claude Sonnet 4, which charges $5 per million input. Grok 4, followed by Gemini 2.5. GPT-4o, which is it's a previous model which charges around like $2.5 per million token input. GPT-5 just charge half the money, which is 1.25, half the money of GPT-4o, but double the power or even more powerful model than the previous version. When we compare the same GPT-5 Mini, we just charge $0.25. Friends, look at this, 0.25. If you even further go down and choose the GPT-4 Nano, it even cheaper. Output cost for base is same as the GPT-4, which is $10 per million tokens, but far cheaper on the smaller models. Nano output is just $0.4 per million tokens. This makes the GPT-5 a powerful but economical choice. I think enterprise-wise, whoever is using GPT-4, they have to pick up the GPT-5 of the cost nature. In cloud, everything is cost. So when you think about the productionized solutions, we have to go for model which burn lesser cost than the existing model. This is the GPT-5 on OpenAI site. Previously, we had many models like 4.5, 3, 4 Mini, and so on. But now GPT-5 is the flagship, combine the strength of all the earlier ones into one single model. We don't need to choose any model. We just need to type the queries and let the OpenAI choose the best model for us. You can try GPT-5 in all the ChatGPT's enterprise versions and Copilot and everywhere. Anyone on free as well as the paid versions can be enabled with the GPT-5. So try experience GPT-5 yourself. Open the ChatGPT and just sign in. GPT-5 is available for all the users, be it a free or paid users. It's available. In my opinion, it's cheaper, more powerful, and every GPT user should upgrade to GPT-5. Thanks guys for tuning in and listening my review on the GPT-5. I hope this video was useful to you. I will see you again in another helpful video. Till then, bye from Data AI Express. Hey, I forgot to ask you. I'm curious to know which GPT model interested and useful to you. Put it in the comments. I will have a look at it. Thank you. Bye bye.